Now this process here might look familiar to you because we just did it before we laid the sod down. Why in the world are we doing it again? Why are we squishing this sod down? We're actually not squishing it down. What we're doing is we're making better contact between the sod and the soil itself. And what you'll want to do is you're going to want to take out about 90% of the water that you put there in the first place. And then what you'll end up doing is after it's nice and laid out like this, you got to start watering it. Now the important thing about this is that we're not finished laying sod just yet. We're out here still laying the sod down, strategically placing it as it needs to be, making sure that the lines are nice and straight. And the reason why we want to do that is because it just makes everything so much easier at the very end when we have the sod completely finished. You have a whole lot less waste. So you may want to have somebody available to just stand here and to water away, especially if it's going to be a super hot day. You want to make sure that this sod stays moist. You need to soak it enough for it to go through the sod into the soil. This way, you're assuring yourself that both layers are getting moist. Let me give you an example here right now. See if I got enough water on here. Get it right here. Oh, you see that? We need a little bit more water. It's starting to come through and it's starting to hit the soil. That's exactly what we want. So we need to put more water on this. So don't go thinking for a second there that you're done. Check it as you're going along. Because you really want this to be saturated as best as possible, and they're still working. Grass. It's good for you, your family, and the environment.